What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where, but I hope it is awesome. And dude, all I gotta say is I'm just super excited for what the last few days, if not week, has brought to cryptocurrency back into the lives of a lot of people. This is what's nice about cryptocurrency is that when we have nice runs like this, things are great. And XRP is almost going to hit their all-time high. It's still sitting here around $3.33. Hbar is absolutely killing it at 37 cents. I mean, you got XLM over here that is doing fantastic, over 50 cents. I mean, the markets as a whole are just phenomenal right now. Phenomenal. This is what you live for. This is what you stack your bags for. This is what we are excited for. The crazy thing is we keep talking about retracements on the channel of like where the next buy option is. XRP has exceeded all expectations with any kind of retracement that's out there. And again, you can't predict that. No one out here can predict it. All you got to do is just hang on for the ride. And that's kind of what's happening right now. And you can even look at the pricing right now. I mean, this is unpredictable. We knew that it was going to go. We knew that it was going to go up. We knew that, with Inauguration Day and all that kind of stuff, we knew it was just a matter of when was that going to happen and how far was it going to go. And I think it's answered the call. I think it's definitely answered the call here. And this thing has gone on an absolute tear through the market here. It's on every single tabloid out there. It's on every single article. It's on the face of everything of where XRP has gone. And I mean, we are on the verge of this hitting all-time high. As you guys know, all-time high is sitting here about 354. And we're sitting at about 333. So we're 20 cents away from an all-time high on XRP, which would be insane. All the things that XRP have gone through, all the crap that XRP has faced with the SEC and just everything throughout the years, getting blacklisted on all the exchanges. It has defied the odds and has literally broken out. And I hope that by Inauguration Day, we hit all-time highs. Again, I have no idea if it's going to. I'm along for the ride right now. And I'm going to continue to ride this and ride it until basically the wheels fall off. And I don't know when that's going to be. That could be 2 years from now. It could be 5 years from now. I don't know. But I'm just excited for where it's at. I'm excited that a lot of people got in on it. I'm excited that a lot of people are just, here in crypto and here in the channel. And I just am appreciative of each and every one of you guys. And I just want to start off by saying what's up to everyone here. We got JRT Productions, 857 Tucson, Maddie, Hercules. What's going on, dude? Boss Josh, what's going on? Otto, Selmo, Nikki, Eric, Billion Right. What's up, bud? Zeus, the King. We got Chris. Chris, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. Welcome. We got Jaco over here adding 10 gifted memberships to the channel. Jaco, appreciate your 10 gifted memberships and welcome the 10 new members here. You are now officially part of the A team. Thank you so much for that. And if Jaco gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. This is a great way to start the day here. You can still see, I mean, here on the 12-hour chart, we are still riding this up right now. We are maxed out on the RSI. We are at the 100% mark right now. And, the question is can we find the top here? We keep talking about retracements, keep talking about buying opportunities, but we can't seem to find a top here for XRP. And again, until you find a top, it's really hard to do any kind of retracement out there. So I want to put that out there is that you got to find the top first before retracement. So we can talk about retracements and where the potential numbers should be. And to be honest with you, the numbers that I talked about last night are still sitting here in the fair value gaps. Like these fair value gaps are still here. So those numbers we talked about last night on the channel are still within realms. Like 250 is right here in the golden pocket still. So even though this has climbed up massively, our retracements still stay the same. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Preach. Welcome to the A team. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. You guys are killing it right now, and I appreciate it. Jay Grizz, what's going on, dude? Brandon, Philip, you guys are all part of here. If I missed some of your names, sorry about that. What's up, MK? MK2000 in the house here. Killer Whale. Yeah, we got our first comment from X over here. First time on X with you. Let's go. What's up, Joey? Good to see you, buddy. Good morning to you all. Yeah, no, this is great, man. And what's crazy is we opened the markets. This is the first time I saw the markets where everything was zero across the board. The markets were so flat that everything was zero going into pre-markets. I forgot to show that before we jumped in here. Even after good bank earnings right here, Bank of America tops estimates, and all banking is doing fantastic right now, which is good for the economy. You want banks to do well for the economy. I know people are like, well, it's a bank, it's an institution, they take our money. Yeah, but I mean, that's where a lot of our economy comes from is people borrowing and getting house loans and car loans. And it's good to see banks are doing well because that just means that the future looks bright for our economy, looks bright for, the next 2 years probably. And so, again, going back to here, we got H bar that's up to 30. It was up to 37. Now it's falling a little bit back down to 36. You can find that there's a fair value gap on the 12-hour right around the 33, 32 area. So a lot of us know this. Is this the breakout that we wanted, right? We've been trading sideways for so long that we haven't had a breakout. We are still trading sideways until this breaks out of this high right here at 39. We're technically in a sideways trade. So again, a breakout would be busting past this and going on up. And in all honesty, I mean, we should probably be moving this over now again. Now that we're breaking out here, we could probably move it over and try to find new areas of well, we probably couldn't do that. I kind of like it where it's at. I'm gonna keep where it's at. We have to wait for this to break out to be able to create a new area for it. So yeah, just excited for that too. Amy, what's going on, bud? Good to see you. Hope you're doing well, Amy. What's up, Dirty? Thanks. I got 10K. You got 10K H bar 26 cents last week. Hell yeah, bro. Dude, you're sitting fantastic. You're up like almost what? Like $1,200, $1,500, but maybe more than that, dude. You're actually probably up. You're up probably close to $3,000, $4,000, dude. If you got it at 26, which is right here at the bottom of this, yeah, you're sitting on like a $4,000 gain right now, bro. And that is fantastic, man. So kudos to you for doing that. I'm waiting for scaling out and letting my coins work for me. Heck yeah, dude. Morning. What's up, Alex? It's good to see everyone in here. Justin, oh my God, I'm getting so blown up on my XRP short. I got liquidated at 338, down 3K. Oh my God, dude, Justin, I'm so sorry, man. Yeah, when you told me you shorted it, I was like, man, it's gonna be a tough one. But I mean, you didn't know the markets. No one knew that. I mean, a lot of us knew that XRP was going to do great. It was going to blow. We just didn't know it was going to happen right there. I was expecting there to be potential pullback before this. Okay, that was me. I was expecting there to be. I'll admit, I was expecting there to be a pullback. How far was that pullback going to be? I don't know. It definitely didn't do that. I mean, it pulled back to the 25 like we thought, but that's basically was the last 25 for XRP. Was right here. This is that last 25. We woke up that morning and we hit the 25s, right here, the 25s, and we hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then this is the third one right here. And so if you miss that the 225 marker, it took off from there, dude, and it hasn't looked back since. I mean, this has been on a this is who fueled up the jet and sent that thing, dude. Yeah, blast off. What's up, Shib Army? Good to see you, buddy. Brandon. It's good to see everyone here. Lag, what's going on, dude? If I missed some of your names, like I said, sorry, dude. I'm trying to scroll to keep up with you guys. I'm already like 5 minutes behind on the chat. XRP Pioneer, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Price discovery, boys, 450 after January 20. You think 450 to $5 after January? All right. Appreciate the $2. Butterfly 69, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Butterfly gifted you membership, please say thank you to Butterfly. Yeah, I decided to come on early today, just to let you guys know. And oh yeah, by the way, welcome the next 5 memberships here. I decided to come on early today because this was exciting. I'll still come on at my normal time, which is going to be around 10 a.m. So I'll be doing a double stream here. I'll probably only be on here for like about an hour. Got to take the kids to school, but I wanted to come on, look at the charts with you guys, see where we're going. And XRP is actually coming down as we speak right now. It did hit this 339, almost 3. It did hit the 340 marker, and now it's fallen down to about roughly 339. So now 329. Did that just take a? Okay, I was like, what the heck just happened right there? Yeah, 329 just came down to 329. So 10 cents in the last like 5 minutes. Let's see here. Thanks so much again for the memberships, Butterfly. Damn, you early, buddy. Yeah, I figured, I was laying in bed. I was sitting here looking at charts, and I was like, you know what, dude? I'm just going to get up. I'm just going to get ready, and we're just going to start the day. We're just going to start the day talking about XRP, talking about HBAR, XLM, and just kick it off right, dude. And that's kind of where we're at, dude. So here we are. Just appreciate everyone being here. No one probably knows that. Everyone's like, dude, why is Austin going so early? Austin, this news is everywhere. Trump's plans America's first. Yeah, so let's jump into some of that. You can see right here. Look at this. XRP now has the larger market cap than American Express. Who would have thought that? 180 billion for American Express. XRP is 191 billion, dude. It's up by 11 billion in terms of market cap. Like, dude, this thing is like smoking some of these large institutions right now. That's how much money is in. That's scary. How much money is in XRP? Whoa, Shib Army, dude. Thanks so much for gifting $100 to. Wow, thank you, man. Shib Army, XRP has blessed me enough, dude. That is freaking awesome, dude. Thank you very much for the $100, bro. Always supporting the channel, always throwing it down, and I couldn't be more appreciative of that. So, thank you, Shib Army, and hope your treat token is treating you well. Darius Coleman, dude, thanks so much for still thinking about putting 3,200 in around January 30th. Is a good idea for. I mean, you know, if you're like, I just want to make it very clear. If you're accumulating a bag, just accumulate the bag. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter where it's at. You know, that's probably, I had to go through the ups and the downs when I first started accumulating a bag. You know, if you're new to crypto, it's probably, you know, you just got to go out there and accumulate it. The reason why it's so easier for me, like I said, and I know you got a pretty funny comment yesterday on it, but the reason why is because, you know, we went through the ups and downs of it, and, you know, I worked hard to get my bag where it's at. And then now it's just you know, the swing trades are just fun, you know, a hobby of mine on the side. And I just let my investments sit, and you know, that's really what it comes down to for me. So I just hope the people in crypto right now just realize that, like, you gotta start somewhere, and you can't be sitting on the sidelines if you're trying to build a bag and trying to get in crypto. If you're on the sidelines, you're gonna miss all the opportunities. You know what I mean? So again, I can't tell you when to buy, when to trade, all that kind of stuff. All I'm showing is just indicators and retracement levels and potential areas for good opportunities. And it's still up to you to push the button on whether you want to buy, sell, trade, whatever you want to do. And I just want to make sure that's very clear. And I'll support you in either way, right? And just because it's my rule doesn't mean it has to be your rule. And I just want to, again, reiterate that a ton. But yeah, it's up to you, Darius, on how you want to look at it. I think we still have a lot of growth in crypto. I think crypto's just beginning, dude. You know, you guys are the 4 or 5%ers right now. There's only 4 to 5% of people in crypto, which is kind of insane if you think about that. So thanks for the buck. Thanks for the $5. And again, Shib Army, thank you so much for the $100 bomb, dude. That is crazy. XRP has blessed me as well, dude. And you know, it's blessed me with the A team too. So I don't think this is going to go down for a long time. Small drops, but bigger ups. It very well could. Yeah, very, very well could. Let's see here. Lots of FOMO. Heck yeah. I have you tripled your investment. Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, breaking all-time highs on futures. Open interest hits 7.7 billion on futures, dude. Look at this. So margin trading, whether that's shorts or longs, you know what I mean? This is sitting here at 7.7 billion, dude. That is insane. XRP is fine. It's starting to have a pretty big sell-off right now at 323. Let's go to the 4-hour here. Let's see if we can find some. So there's a fair value gap that it looks like it's hitting right now. You know, this area right here at the 315 marker. So this could be, you know, again, a swing trade opportunity here if you think it's going to continue to go up, but there is a fair value gap here at 315. The next one after that is down here at 275. This is the one I was talking about yesterday. So this is again, this is when you're in this yellow area right here, this is an over purchased sell zone. This is a sell zone. So although we are climbing right here, this is technically a sell zone. You know, again, people that bought right here and right here are just riding this to the top to see how much they can get out of it before, you know, it comes back down to some sort of retracement. And again, I'm going to be honest here. I want this to retrace. And the reason I want to retrace is because I want to be able to enter in on a good trade. And I know a lot of you do too, because I do know that Inauguration Day and beyond is going to do very, very well with crypto. And so this obviously took off way before the market, like way before we anticipate the market. I mean, even Bitcoin is having a struggle to get above. Look at this, dude. It's still in a descending. It's still descending right now, right? We had a high. We went to a low, went to a higher low, went to a lower low. Now we went to look at this, dude. We went to another lower high. The next expectation is a lower low, but we want this to break out. We want this to actually break out. And that's what I was saying is that even when you gauge using Bitcoin, and when I tell you guys my numbers don't match up, it's because also when looking at XRP, you're gauging the market by also looking at Bitcoin, and you're gauging it looking at other cryptos. And XRP have like it's been up, but I mean, like, it wasn't ever anything like we would have saw right here. Like, this is an unexpected, rally. And all rally. We knew that it was going to be here because of the hearing. We knew that it was going to be here because of because of what was, January 15th was going to bring. I just didn't think it was going to go this crazy so fast. I'll be honest with you. I knew it was going to go up, just didn't know exactly when. Technically, that is a naked short. Jack Sparrow, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team again. Thank you very, very much. Welcome again. Yeah, sorry, I'm so far behind on the chat, guys. I'm literally like 50 minutes behind. I'm just going to scroll down and I'll hit up the things on the way. Darius Coleman, thanks so much for the $2, dude. 1288 XRP with 241 DCA. Dude, that's freaking badass, bro. That's a good buy. Kudos to you, man. 241 is a good buy right now, right? I mean, 4 days ago, 241 would have been overpriced, right? But now look at it, dude. 241 is right in the golden pocket right now. So that's probably the next areas where people are going to be buying is right here at the golden pocket. And, we could probably even take some of this. I'll probably take this 190 away right now. But yeah, you can see, I mean, anywhere in the golden pocket right now is roughly 253 to roughly 249. So anywhere in there is the golden pocket. Again, 234 is right down here into this area, and then the lower low is 225, which is down in here. I mean, if this is coming down pretty hot right now, it's sitting at 320 right now for XRP. So the market's we'll see if it's tapped out or not, dude. We'll see if it's tapped out. Hbar's coming back down pretty hot. So again, retracements, if you're in crypto, and you're sitting on the sidelines, you kind of want retracements, right? If you've taken profits, you want retracements. Appreciate you, Austin. This is really the best live where everyone can chill and not be fed BS. That's good. I'm happy. I'm happy, Highway Nikki, that you guys don't feel like you're fed bullshit. I'm now at 60% profits. Should I book some profits or wait for 4K? That's hard to say, man. It's up to you and in your position, dude. If you think if you think you need the money, then who am I to say you shouldn't take it? You know what I mean? If you need it for something, I think that people should do what's best for them. Susan, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, welcome. Where to start in Discord? So many channels. I know, Jake. There's a lot of channels, dude. Probably just start with crypto. Another morning with Austin beats morning with Jim Cramer. Lisa, what's up? Do you watch Jim Cramer every morning? I can't watch him, dude. There's something about him I just can't watch. I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is, dude. There's something about him though. But right here it says XRP whales accumulating, driving the bullish momentum. It says a key factor behind XRP price, because people are wondering, like, why are we going up so crazy with XRP? And it says a key factor behind XRP's price rally is the dramatic increase of whale activity. On-chain data reveals that wallets holding over 1 million XRP have surged in recent weeks. It says the 18% rise in large holding signals possible institutional interest and accumulation by high net worth investors. These whales are likely positioning themselves for further price gains, reflecting growing confidence in XRP's long-term potential. Adding to this bullish momentum, trading activity on XRP's network has seen a sharp uptick. Active addresses, a metric indicating platform engagement, have climbed from 63,000 to over 97,000 since January, that's giant, dude. 30,000, almost more than that, 34,000 people. This represents a 54% increase driven primarily by existing whales rather than new entrants. Damn. It says right here, legal clarity. It says Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC continues to be a central narrative influencing XRP's price. Recent developments have fueled optimism, with many speculating that the case could reach a resolution sooner than expected, which we already know is probably going to happen in the first quarter of 2025 with the new administration coming into the SEC. The new administration is not going to want to bring on the SEC. Like, I mean, they're not going to want to bring on this crazy case. They're going to wipe their hands clean of it and have a fresh, clean slate. That's my prediction of it. It says the lawsuit has spurred a surge in online searches for XRP, surpassing Bitcoin in recent weeks. That's crazy. And then a lot of people are thinking that we could see a $4, which could very well be on the table. Daniel, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Hi to you as well, Daniel. Thank you so much. Not trading, just holding. All right, Trent. Jacob, the Discord is all about unrestricted rooms. Shaman, what's up, Shaman? XRP volume just flipped out of ETH. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at that. Let me refresh this. It did. Look at that. 27 billion, 27.5 billion. Here's ETH at 27.28. We got XRP at 27.5. Yeah, dude. Wow. That's incredible, dude. That is fantastic, man. Love seeing that. Damn, dude. That's crazy. One thing too is that Hedera has moved up to number 15. It's taken out Toncoin and Shiba Inu, dude. So, I mean, you know, again, Hedera is a force to reckon with. And you could have been buying this at 4 cents back in November 5th. November 5th, you could have been buying Hedera at 4 cents. Isn't that crazy? We're almost at a 10x. Almost at 10x on Hedera. I mean, gosh dang, dude. Insane. Bottom 5% or top 5%? Probably bottom 5%. I guess it would probably be, I don't know, man. That's a good question. Maybe top 5%. Top 5% shaman, I think. Thing not clicking. There we go. It's Summers. What's going on, buddy? Gonna be fun when XRP gets to number 1 again. It's good to see you, man. Yeah, 7-month member, dude. It's Summers. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, it would be nice once it hits that $1 again, dude, or that number 1 ranking again. That'd be crazy if it does. I mean, that has a long ways to go. It only did it back in 2018. One time it overtook Bitcoin, but it has a long ways to go. That'd be literally a 10x from where it's at right now. So, I mean, if we want a 10x where it's at right now, that'd put us at roughly $30, which would put us at roughly $2 trillion. So, I mean, hey, man, I'm on board. I'm on board with that. Ralph, thanks so much for the 2.4 pounds. Best coin to buy before January 20th. I mean, I think a lot of these, like I said, I'm sold. I mean, you know, Chainlink is looking pretty solid still. I like where Chainlink has been. I've been talking about that. I like where Stellar was at 40 cents. We were talking about it there. Hedera, obviously, we're back here at 26 to 29 cents for Hedera was a good purchase. There's a lot of cryptos out here that a lot of people are jumping on that have been doing really well. Even my Uniswap has done pretty well. There's a lot of things out here I think that you could jump on. And I mean, the one thing that's really nice about the bull market is that mostly everything does pretty damn well. Does pretty good, dude. Correct distortion, dude. Thanks so much for the $2. Can you see XRP going back to 250? Yeah, I did. I put out a video yesterday, just for members only. So there's a video yesterday talking about my retracement levels on this. And again, as much as we get excited about these booms, which again, trust me, I'm super excited about it too. You should also look at the future of where these retracements could be, right? You want to see where some retracements are going to be so that you can prepare for them. There's nothing wrong with trying to create a roadmap for success when it comes to trying to find the retracements of a price going crazy. So yeah, my levels I talked about yesterday. I mean, here we're seeing a new one open up on the 4-hour at this 315 marker, which you can see this came down and hit it. Look right there. You can see this came down and hit this fair value. So it's already kind of hit that one. Let's go to the 12-hour. Let's pull back a little further here. So you can see right here, the next one is right here around 290. So on the 12-hour, you get the further you pull back, the better, right? So we know that 290 is probably a good fair value, but you're still in sell territory here. So in this we don't know what's going to happen with XRP. Every time XRP seems to have a sell-off, it just rises right back up, dude. It's insane. Talk about resiliency, dude. This is a chart you look at. But everything that's telling us that it should have came down off of previous trends, it hasn't done that yet. It stayed at the top up here for a really long time already. But okay, let's get back into 290. You got 270, you got 260, and then right here's the golden pocket at 252. And then you can see, look at all the support down here. This is a massive level of support at 235. This is where it's all at right here. If this, look at how low the volume is up here. So if you want to look at support, like when this thing starts to sell, it's going to sell fast. And the reason why is because there's no support levels up here. The next major level of support is here at 270. That's your next, everything else is just a hiccup. This is like your next level of support is right here at 270, and it's not even that strong. I mean, I say it's not that strong, but let's see what the volume, let's see where it's at. You can't be too disappointed with that. I mean, that's a lot of money sitting right there. But you can see over here that this is very, very small in terms of volume and support. So, you're at 270, right? 250 is right here. Let's see where 250 is at. 250, we're sitting on a good level of support right here, and this is the golden pocket. So, at least on this retracement. Everyone has their own areas where they want to put their retracement, start it and finish it. But I mean, you start at the bottom of you start at the bottom of the cycle and you go up to the top of the cycle. And if this is the top of the cycle, then this is the perfect chart for where we can predict a retracement to come down to. So, and we've always said that roughly 28% right now, we can see 28% is kind of the when we have a nice rally like this, which we can see previously, we had rallies, we've had 25% decrease, a 28 and a 28. And so yesterday, I mean, if you're just doing quick math to try to find these things out, you're going to go, okay, well, let's see where 28% let's see where 28% falls. 28 puts us down at 243 at this moment, right? And that's saying that it matches that. 25 puts us right here in the golden pocket between roughly 252 and roughly 247. So, I mean, that's right in the golden pocket there. So, can it fall down there? Maybe. I mean, history has shown us that that is potentially there. I just don't know when it's going to happen, right? We could keep going up because of Inauguration Day. We got a huge catalyst coming on Monday, guys. Monday's going to be huge for crypto. I don't know, and I don't know if we're baking it in either. You got to think we could be baking in what's going to happen on an Inauguration Day. This could already be we could already be baking in the markets on this. You won't know until that, but I mean, I'm anticipating things are going to be good. It's already starting to do that. Sell more. Good days, you beautiful bastard. What's up, Dream Chaser? Michael, what's going on, man? Richard, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. Welcome, welcome. XDC's been killing it too, Austin. I'm on the point now where I don't have to drive to buy you a beer. I can fly. Hell yeah, wild dog. Hell yeah. Took some profits on my XRP trade last night and put on a short on Bitcoin. Felt stupid this morning, not so much now. Yeah, trust your trades, man. Mars Maserati, trust your trades, man. Don't second guess yourself. Just go in and do it. And if it fails, you know what to do next time. And that's the best thing you can do. So I still can't find the fill gaps. Holtz indicator trading view. Also, I'm looking for the wrong thing. Yeah, go to Lux Algo, fair value gap Lux Algo, and you might, if you don't hold the premium, it could be a premium service. Like I said, I don't know. It could be that. I always have Squawk on the street in the background, so I'm getting ready for work. Oh, gotcha, Lisa. I didn't know that. Squawk Box, yeah. It's crazy that show's still around. That's been around for so long. And I will give Jim Cramer one credit here, dude. So back in the day, I don't know if you guys know, but Chesapeake was, the giant oil company, and I don't even think that they're around anymore. Back in 2007, Chesapeake was blowing up. I actually entered my Chesapeake because of Jim Cramer, and it was down in the dollars, dude. And this thing shot up that was my first time making a ton of money on stock. I treated it like a day trade. I treated it like a penny stock, dude. And it was because of Jim Cramer. I'll give him that one credit for me, that he actually talked about that. I ended up buying it off of Squawk Box. It was talking about Chesapeake financials, and bought it at a really low price. That thing skyrocketed, but then 3 years later they bankrupted. And if you guys don't remember, the CEO actually committed, he ended up pew-pewing himself, or I think he ended up running his car into a tree or something like that. Yeah, it was kind of wild, but crazy story. That's a wild one. 250 to 275, my guess. Yeah, that's kind of where it's at, dude. I mean, if we're looking at this, and again, we're just looking at indicators. We can't predict this. We can just only see where these things are and just be prepared for it. That's it. And we don't know when that's going to happen, but preparation for it is good. 234, we're seeing right here. I mean, anywhere from 234 to 232 is a good buy. Here's a little tiny piece down here at 229, which has been sitting here. I don't know if it's going to hit here, right? I don't know if it's going to come back down to 29 cents. But you guys know that if it does, you could see the potential of where it's going to go. So, I mean, people are probably going to be jumping in and buying 229 or 29 cents. The 29 cent marker is probably going to be big for Hbar. Do you think Flare will grow much? I mean, I think Flare is going to grow. It just doesn't have the volume that a lot of these other ones have. So when it comes to day trading, you try to find high volume trades. You don't want to trade the low volumes because you won't have anything to trade on, right? It's all manipulated volume. You want to find the real volume, and the real volume is the top 20 cryptos. Shout out to my boy, my brother Mark, who is a coworker of mine and gifted me 500 XRP 4 years ago, and now my portfolio restored. Dude, that's crazy, Jay Grizz. Holy crap, that's badass. You were right. I should have waited till 15th. I shouldn't have waited till the 15th. No, you're good. You're good. I thought Austin was one of us, Shaman. One of us. 4 cents. I got in around November 15th, and that was 14 cents. Dude, that's still a great buy, Lisa. Dude, that's still fantastic. Sean the Don, what's up, man? Good morning to you. Good morning to you, gentlemen. My account hit 1.2 million this morning. Holy crap. Jason Bourne, get it, bro. 1.2 million. You are officially now a millionaire. Back to the 250. No. Again, we don't know if it's going to. These are just like I said, these are just indicators right now of where things are. Let's actually look at the 10. I want to see what the dude, look at that. This is insane, dude. Like the 10-day moving average just passed the 50. That's how much this has gone crazy, guys. That the 10-day hasn't even just caught up to the 50-day moving average. The 50 days, this red line right here, and it just surpassed it on Hbar. That's how crazy this one took off. Let's look at Hbar, or let's look at XRP. Dang, you can see right here that passed over, and this thing has gone crazy now. Yeah, it's pretty crazy to see. Bro, just buy XRP. Why waste time buying anything else? Well, I mean, I like buying other cryptos. Other ones that I think are good. Members only. He plays with his beard more. DCA is anything you still want. Into anything you still want. DCA into anything you still want. I think. Obviously, we'll be buying some swing trades when it retraces here. I don't know when that's going to happen, but we'll see. Trump card, crypto. Oh yeah, there was a thing I think it was. Let's see. I think it was something about Trump. Something about Trump looking to do strategic. I think it was on Whale Watcher. Put it out this morning. Talking about how Trump. Yeah, right here. President-elect Donald Trump is open to creating an America First strategic reserve that prioritizes cryptocurrencies such as Solana and XRP. So that could help be fueling it too. That came out as well, so that's positive. It's not late for anything. True, it's not too late for anything. Lost all my money. Damn, bro. Thanks so much for the donation to the channel. I don't even know what that is. That must be a meme coin or something. Thanks so much for the donation. I'm sorry you lost your money. Just a Killawell. What's up, Killa? Thanks for going live, bro. I was hoping to add some more Hbar to my bag, but woke up and it's ripping. Yeah, I think a lot of us were, hoping that it was gonna. Like I said, I was anticipating for like tomorrow, Saturday, for this thing to start ripping. That was kind of my anticipation for a lot of this. But I mean, here we are today, right? Sometimes, we'll see if there's a pullback here. Bitcoin's already coming down pretty hot right now. Coming down from 90. It was hitting 100,000 this morning. Right around this morning, about 4 a.m. This thing was at 100,000. Now it's fallen down about $3,000. So, and it's continuing to fall. Let's see what the dominance looks like here. Let's go to news price scale. Yeah, the dominance of Bitcoin's going down, but that should cause a lot of these to increase. But Hbar is coming back down to 35 from 37. So again, we're going to start seeing maybe we start to see the retracements that we were. Maybe this is the retracement day. I don't know. Let's see. Markets are looking pretty red right now. Stock futures are flat after major averages post the next. That's interesting. Okay, let's look at let's see what days. Let's see. Today we have retail sales. Actual is 0.4, so that's actually pretty good. Tomorrow we got the housing starts tomorrow, so that should be interesting. Nothing really. It's spurring why. It's probably after the massive rally yesterday. I mean, you got to think the Dow was up like 750%. It was insane. So here we are. 325. So look how resilient that is. It dropped to 320 and now it's back to 320 now. Greetings, Austin. Let's go, 18. What's up, Vincible? Chrono Marine, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and appreciate that. What's your price prediction for Hbar this bull run? I was saying $2. I think $2 pretty much where I've been thinking and hoping that it's going to go. My best trade ever, buying 150K Hbar in September. Dude, that's Jason. That's a good purchase, bro. That's a good purchase, man. That's almost a 10x. It's almost a 10x. Yeah, that's almost $1 million right there, bro. A few others. Just curious if you follow others as well as you, or just you just do you. Oh, you're saying like if I follow other influencers and stuff? Is that what you're asking me? Tweeter? Um, I mean, I guess I do follow some people. I don't know, who do I follow? I mean, I follow like Cointelegraph. I follow Bloomberg Crypto. I follow Crypto Rover. Yeah, I think I follow a lot of other people. I follow Elon. I follow Michael Saylor, Watcher Guru. I follow a lot. Bitcoin Magazine. I follow a lot of people, I think. Are you talking about influencers though? Or are you talking about like pure influencers? Is that what you're asking me? Parker, what's up, buddy? We could see the dip this weekend, but inauguration will blow the top off. Dude, I'm like I said, maybe this is baked in. Maybe we're cooking it in right now. I don't know, but you know, a pullback before inauguration day would be nice, right? A couple days for it to like settle down and maybe have like build a nice little platform again would be fantastic. I got greedy because of that. Oh yeah, you're good. Nope, it's gonna go to the moon. 6,000 H bar enough? I mean, yeah, that's pretty damn good, dude. 6,000 H bar is good, bro. Charles, thanks so much for the £5, dude. Heard people taking profits from XRP and putting them in team will top meme coin of 2025. Charles, I appreciate you, man. Always showing up, showing out, and donating to the channel. And I appreciate that, man. And yeah, good luck with the project and everything like that. I love it. What's a good entry for XLM? 40 cents. 40 cents was a good entry. Just subscribe, been watching for a while here from Seattle, dude. Nice, bro. Appreciate that. Welcome another Seattle light here. Gotta appreciate that, Jason. Thanks so much for joining and subscribing, man. I'm buying more XRP right now. Ain't listening to this cat. All right, Pablo. Keep doing it. Do you, man. Do you, Pablo. Do you, boo. I trusted your 332 sell call up 20K on that trade. Damn, bro. You're up 20K on that? Damn, Chris. That's pretty good. 20K? Gosh, dang. I don't know if I made a sell call, but you know, that's pretty good money though. First I've heard let's see here. Like the stream. What's up? Appreciate you, Shaman. Dude, I'm so far behind on the chat right now. XDC's pumping. I'm gonna try to catch up to you guys. If I missed some of your comments, I'm sorry, man. Any thoughts on XRP's next support levels? Yeah, we just talked about those. I think again, I mean 327 is where it's at. Like I said, the retracements are down here. You can see the fair value gaps. And then, you know, obviously anywhere from below the 382 to the 618. So I mean, you got a pretty big window right there. And usually those are successful. Awesome. Weak noob, hands panic selling on the bull run. Yeah, you know, build that bag, hold that bag, and you know, wait for the bull. XDC is on uphold. Yeah, XDC's been doing pretty well. I'll give you that. XDC's been absolutely sending it right now too. So let me get this indicator off. Oops. Yeah, XDC's been doing really, really well. I'll give you that. Have a look at Mantra and compare it to XRP. One prediction on VeChain, please. I mean, VeChain's just slow, dude. I think it's gonna probably do well, but I mean, it's just a slow mover. VeChain is like super, super slow. I don't want to ruin my 52 average. That's a pretty good average, dude. 52 cents. That's amazing, man. Congrats to you. Yeah, this is crazy right here. The $7.7 billion on futures is crazy. Are we gonna dump today? I don't know. It's too. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, like I said, look at right now. You can see that this fair value gap right here that was left by Bitcoin on the 12-hour just got filled. Right, there was a fair value gap between 98 and 97 that just got filled up right there. If you guys want to see, that got filled up right here. So the next level is down here at 95 again. You know, that got left open. Can it come down and tap into this again? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Paul, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much, man, and welcome. Rebecca, thanks so much for the $2. Good morning, A team. Hope everyone has have a great day. I hope you have a great day as well. Thank you so much for the $2. And yeah, just appreciate everyone being here. I mean, I've streamed hella early. I'll be back on today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is my normal stream time. I'll be back on. Like I said, I just want to jump on this morning. I woke up and was like, you know what, dude, we're gonna go live and talk about XRP and everything else. And it's still super resilient right now. Look at this. 328, man. 328. Worst 3 days. Brandon, thanks so much for the $2, dude. What's up, Austin? Can we see a cooldown after Monday? You know, it's going to be interesting, dude. There could be a little cooldown. We've seen in the past where the charts have gone up. We can actually pull back. Let's go back to the week chart here. Let's go to the week. We can go back and look at previous data that has shown us like what happens after Inauguration Day. And so if we go back and look at previous Inauguration days, let me go back to Bitcoin here when I do this, because Bitcoin's kind of where we track it. This is Inauguration Day. So you had the first week of January, second week of January, and then we had Inauguration Day, which is on January the 2nd. This is the third week, so Inauguration Day, and this is what it looked like. So I mean, we had a pretty big catalyst after Inauguration Day that put us up roughly about, 100% in literally 3 weeks. So that first month we went absolutely nuts. If you guys want to go back and look at 2016, which is back over here, we could see what it did after Inauguration Day. So we had the first 2 weeks, first 2 weeks were in the red, and then we had a major blow up. But I mean, over the next let's see, that's 1 week, 2 week. Then we went into February. And then by March, we were up here, and then we took a pretty big dip in March, which was a pretty good, let's see, we fell about another 34% in March before we had another major takeoff right here. So, you know, this is showing you where we're going. I mean, this is Inauguration Day, and this is what happened after Inauguration Day. You know, we went from all the way from March 2017 Inauguration Day, and hit all-time highs up here on December. So a year later, we hit all-time highs. So you go back over here on Inauguration Day, we were already in the midst of a bull run here, coming up here, but you know, we ended up climbing out of here and going all the way up to here. So, you know, we went down and we dipped down here, but then we came right back up. So, I mean, that was Inauguration Day right here. Now we're peaking. We came out of the bull run. We're coming up here now. We're kind of like in this scenario right here, which is like right here. So I guess to answer your question, I mean, I think that we still have growth out of this Inauguration Day. Hope your appointment was good. I am so torn to buy more. Yeah, it was good, man. Was waiting on your opinion. Fake out, get people stuck still. Brought 100 at 331 and then got again at 323. Yeah, you know, again, there's gonna be people buying on these candles. I mean, you know, this is expected right here. I mean, people want to buy, and I mean, you know, you're gonna choose to buy if you want, and that's, you know, do what's best for you, what you think is best for you. It's always been that way. Don't let anyone else tell you what to do. Jaco, thanks so much, man. Lots of topics. Well done. Oh, thanks so much, man. I'm glad you joined it. I'm glad you didn't have any issues joining it, and appreciate you for the $2 there, man. And thank you for joining the Discord. Thanks for all the support to the channel, man. And look forward to talking to you in Discord. I know you're not a meme guy, but any thoughts on Pepe? Do Pepe? I'm a Pepe guy. I hold Pepe. You know, I think that again, they're just meme coins, so they're traded with emotion, not necessarily traded with anything other than that. You know, and SHIB is obviously SHIB, you know, and you know, it's obvious it's falling down. I think it's losing some momentum. And you can see that based on here. I mean, it's down to 17. This was a top 10 crypto for a really long time, and it keeps falling. Money is leaving SHIB and going into a lot of other cryptos. So, you know, there's that as well. But I mean, I think people that are holding this probably will continue to do well. I just think things are going to flip it eventually. I mean, Pepe is already on the verge of flipping. It's only roughly what, It's only roughly $4 billion away from flipping SHIB. So we'll see what happens, man. I had 1,500, now 1,000. Yeah, that is tough, dude. Do you think XRP will reach ETH price? You mean like it's not going to reach the price, but I definitely think it's going to reach it could reach market cap. Yeah. Swapping out tiny amounts of XRP sub 5K. All right, that's good, Rudy Poo. BTC retesting the bottom of the range. Yeah, BTC is coming down. 27. It's coming down into this. You can see right here on the weekly, there's a pretty big fair value gap down here, but I mean, that's a big one. Let's go to the 12-hour here. Again, the 12 hours telling us that this is already coming through. It already blew through this fair value gap right now on its way down. I mean, the next fair value gap is sitting here at 95, but you got a lot of support here at 97. You can see this. I mean, you got a pretty big amounts of volume right here. So, you know, something to consider at least. Sell now, buy Fartcoin. And Uphold is only a place I find XDC. Yeah, Coinbase. I mean, in my opinion, after missing the massive pump, don't sell. Wait till inauguration day. Yeah, it happens, man. Like I said, I was at a tournament all weekend, soccer tournament. You know, totally blinded by everything going on, and you know, coming home and being like, "Crap, dude." You know, so it happens. I don't live in the past 3 in the next 4 days. Yeah, don't live in the past 3 and the next. Yeah, you're right, dude. Just focus on the next 4 days. Sold a small portion of my Bitcoin yesterday when it almost went to 100K and bought XRP at 295. When it, oh damn, dude, Golf and Rob coming in hot. That's good, dude. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, you got the membership there. That's badass. Which month and price range you think is the best moment to start cashing out XRP? That's tough to say, man. I think that people are saying the height of the bull market could be like in August of 2025. But you can see back in 2016, we went all the way to December. We went a whole year before people started to sell off. So, you know, it's kind of really hard to say. We're gonna have to really see what the markets are telling us. See how our economy is doing too. Yeah, do you boo? I'm all in on HBAR, been holding forever. It's tempting to not to cash out now, but I'll hold higher profits. Yeah, dude, it's tough, man. You know, when it goes up like this, it's going crazy. But it's nice to see a breakout. You know, this thing didn't even have a fair value. The fair value gap's still down here at 29. This little sliver of fair value gap. But again, right here at this 33 to 32 is, you know, at least we know this technically hasn't broken out yet. I mean, we haven't broken back out of this high, this cycle's high right here. So a breakout would happen once we break past that high. That's a breakout. So can that happen? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure as hell hoping so. You're right. And the last inauguration was not pro crypto. I would agree with you on that. Dogecoin might pump if its Starship launches successfully. Yeah, you always have Elon. Early morning, dude. Austin cashed out at $3. No, I did not. I did not. I did not plug in my ledger. Enjoy the cool and calm of your. Oh, appreciate that, Trent. Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Enjoy the cool and calm of your content, man. Oh, thank you, dude. I do appreciate that a ton, man. Thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel. I think the best meme has to be Doge. I mean, Doge is solid, bro. It's a mineable crypto. At least it has some use case. Actually, you know, it's as much as it's a meme, it is a mineable crypto. Like, let's not forget that. You know, you can mine this. You can. There is a utility associated with it. So it's as much as you want to call it a meme. I mean, it has a utility to it. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, I think that's a lot. I think that's good, Flacco. I mean, that's a good amount of money if you can, you know. Yeah. I don't even know what does this say? Is this kill or nobody? Kill or nobody? Is that what it is? Kill or nobody? Thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. Thank you very much. Welcome to the channel. You're officially now part of the A team. Yeah, Shib's letting me down. Shib's a little rough right now. XLM and Shiba, what are your thoughts? Oh, I'm all in on XLM, Sal. XLM's kind of where I'm at, bud. 100%. Sean the Don, dude, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Sean the Don gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Sean. And those 5 people, welcome to the A team. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. Love this channel. Killer vibes. Oh, XRP. Thanks so much, man. The hardest thing the US could do is issue everything a Doge miner. Dude, that'd be badass. That would be smart. You know why? Because everything would just be mined, and next thing you know, I mean, it would go crazy. Should I put 200 in XRP? I'll let you decide. Early, dude, I could not sleep this morning, man. I just saw the charts going crazy. Any thoughts on Litecoin? I mean, Litecoin's an old school. Litecoin's old school, bro. You know, it's still mineable, still has use case. People mine the hell out of it. The best meme hasn't launched yet. No way. GS, dude, what's up, man? Hello, what's going on, bud? Wait for the weekend dip, then load up. There could be a weekend dip coming in here. I mean, this thing we have been on a tear this week, dude. XRP is making me so much money. My life on fruits, dude. You and me both, man. I'm super happy with where it's at. Super happy with where it's at, man. And I couldn't be happier for everyone that's got in early on XRP, got in early on HBAR. Like everyone's winning. That's what I love about the bull market is that everyone's winning, dude. Doesn't matter what you're putting your money into. Most of them are going to continue to rise. And that's the one beauty of the bull run, man. But when we get into the bear market, it's going to change everyone's temperament. So just be prepared for that. I couldn't sleep, but now I'm glad because I didn't know you were going to be on this early. Yeah, dude, I'll be back on tonight. So just let everyone know I'll be back on today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So in about 3 hours from right now, I'll be back on. I'm just on early because I saw the price going up, and I was like, let's take a look at it again. Let's just jump on. I was sitting around. Do we have a new entry point level? Yeah, we were just talking about levels. Earlier today. I mean, you can see right here at 291 seems to be a good entry, which is a good fair value gap. We got 270, which is a good fair value gap. 262 is a good fair value gap, and then obviously down here in the golden pocket at 250. So, there's definitely some good areas on the way down if you want to DCA into a position if this were to retrace. Again, we don't know when the retracement's going to happen. And again, I feel like we haven't really found a top yet. I mean, is 238 the top? I felt like, yesterday we might have found the top at 220, but I mean, this thing continued to rise up and continue to do really well. So below 25 cents, the next one to explode. I mean, that's tough to say, dude, because everything's gone really well. Like I said, we were buying a lot of these when they were down to anywhere from 4, 5, and 7 cents. I mean, that's kind of tough, There's not a lot out there that are below 25 cents that I'm on board with. I mean, Caspa's always seems to be doing well. I mean, Caspa's one of those where this thing is, sitting at 15 cents, but I mean, this thing has gone on a pretty good rocket ship right now. But yeah, that's kind of a hard one. I scalped too soon with my HBAR. Yeah, it's all good. It happens, right? Did you ever end up crossing paths with anybody trying to talk to you No, I did not, George. I did not get any of that stuff, and I would not even touch it. I don't think we have ever truly hit our full stride. Meme coins will still run big time. Yeah, I think, meme coins will continue to fuel these blockchains for sure. I don't doubt that. I don't doubt that. I mean, Ethereum has proven that that's kind of how a lot of these blockchains do well. I don't think we have ever truly hit. I don't think we've ever truly hit it either. Sui hasn't made a move yet, like XRP and HBAR. Maybe soon. Yeah, Sui's a good one too, dude. I don't have the biggest bag in there, but I definitely have a little bit, and it's done well. Where the heck is it? Is it down here, Sui? This is done pretty damn well though, dude. I mean, you got to think I bought this at $1.50. I bought this at $1.50, and I mean, literally, it's almost a 4x for me or 3x for me. So yeah, I can't be too upset. But yeah, this thing's done pretty good, man. More than money, I would rather have time back that was stolen from me, dude. I'm with you. I could get on board with that. Jay, thanks so much for the $2, dude. What about XDC? Yeah, we're just looking at XDC. XDC's been tearing it up, bro. Right here, XDC's been doing what? 14 cents. Yeah, this is another one. You're right. 14 cents, something below there. XDC's been, look at this, dude. You could have bought this back at 3 cents back in December, right before December inauguration day. We could have bought it back at 2 cents. So XDC's been doing well. Yeah, you're right. Thanks so much for the $2, bro. And that is definitely one below 25 cents that people are really high on right now. So XDC. I still don't understand how you can store coins. Oh, what do you mean store? Like on like a ledger? You think XRP is gonna break 384 today? That'd be wild, bro. If it broke 384, I don't know what I would do. That'd be nuts. XRP is cheap. Still cheap, yes. If you don't sell, you never lose. That's true. That's true. Unless it's in a meme coin. If you don't sell, if you buy and never sell your meme, you'll probably lose. Most memes. Not just us plebs buying and selling. It's a utility token, not a meme coin. Yeah. Are you talking? You must be talking. Which one are you talking about? In terms of not being a meme coin. Andrew, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Very recent. Trump opened to buy XRP as a strategic Federal Reserve. Yeah, we're just looking at that right here. Where'd it go? Yeah, President-elect is opening to create an America's first strategic reserve that prioritizes cryptocurrencies such as Solana and XRP. That's freaking awesome. Buy, sell 10K. Buy, sell at 10K. Analysis on Psy. I don't know enough about it, Yash. I don't know enough about it. Where's support at? Which one? Which one are you talking about? Snappy clips. Which one are you talking about? And let's see, Doge worth buying right now. Yeah, I mean, it very well could. I mean, we know that Doge is obviously a big thing for Elon, and there's definitely some levels down here at 34. Doge will probably do well because of Elon, dude. Elon getting it. Elon's obviously going to be helping out with the head of Doge, which is the Department of Government Efficiency. I don't know what's going to happen, but I mean, I think having having Doge in your back pocket because of Elon is not a bad move. I mean, anything Elon touches seems to do very, very well. So, hey, Austin, do you think BTC will fall below 95 again? I mean, indicators are kind of saying, I mean, we got a fair value gap down here at 95. So it could hit from that 95 to 94 with this fair value gap right here. And this is on the 12 hour. So, I mean, that's a pretty good one. We go back to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, let's see, the 4 hour also tells us 95. So that's good, right? And then the day chart is telling us 95 as well, 96, 95. So, I mean, if you look at the indicators and what it's telling us, there's definitely a potential for it, for sure. So, and, like I said, we have 4 days. What's crazy is the weekly on this shows us in the green, It'd have to go below 94, probably go below 94 for it to be into the red before Inauguration Day. So, if we want to, this is breaking the trend of previous times where we've had 2 weeks in the red before green going into Inauguration Day. So this will be the first time that we've had this. So we'll see if this continues down for the rest of the week, and maybe we consolidate down here at the 94 to 95 range. I don't know. We'll find out. But guys, I'm gonna probably be on here for 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna come on later today at my normal scheduled time. So I just want to let everyone know that. And Ming, dude, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team, dude. If Ming gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And the 10 new members, welcome to the A team. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. Like I said, so I'll be on in about 2.5 hours. Let's see, 3.5 hours, 3 hours. 3 hours, 2.5 hours. Yeah, 2.5 hours. I'll be on again. To cover everything. So Vicenzo, thanks so much for the $5, dude. The fall off of ETH needs to be studied. ETH, it's crazy that ETH hasn't hit its all-time high yet, right? When you go back and look, I mean, all-time high was 48, and I mean, it hasn't even reached up there. And I think the fall off is because there's just so many other blockchains out there. There's so many other use cases out there. That's kind of the big thing. So yeah. In my opinion, Hbar launched from Elon's drone ship. I love you still. Yes, that is the Rockets platform. It launched from. Oh, really, Jane? You think so? Pretty sure X will use the 3 X's. That'd be pretty badass. XRP, XLM, XDC. ETH is weird. It's stuck. It kind of is stuck. Tax exemption laws will be the Rocket. Why is he sold at high value but not XRP? Good question. Nah, it's good. I got him. So yeah, good morning, Big B. Good morning. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna be hopping off here, but I will be back on today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, on normal scheduled time. Like I said, I just want to jump on here early to talk about the charts, see where we're at, and like I said, XRP is still looking really good. I mean, sitting at 230 right now. This thing came up here and hit 238, came down pretty hot in the last hour, but it's built right back up. It came down, hit 216 again, and then came right back, or sorry, 316 again, and came right back up to where it's at right now. So yeah, you're the man. Yeah, no problem, dude. You're the brother. I appreciate you guys all being here. Thanks so much for all the donations to the channel and all the new memberships. I'll see you guys in about 2.5 hours on the channel. We'll be putting that out as well, talking about XRP and any new news that's come up in the last 2.5 hours. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. If you don't join me again here in 2 hours, hope you guys have a fantastic day. And we'll see you all here in about 2.5 hours. So with all that, we're out, everyone. Peace out, everyone.